July 8, 2014. We're looking at Earth-facing SDO images. In the right, we've had a filament release. If you watch it closely, you can see it as it leaves the sun. Just a quick flicker. We've also had a backup flare to that M6.5. Not as strong, but from the same area. Definitely more Earth-facing. We're going to have to watch this. But again, I'm going to show you a couple images from the sun here. We saw this earlier. Now, we're used to seeing them on this red camera of the SDO. But look at the density that's involved and how tight that is wound. Usually you won't see much of a coronal mass ejection on this camera. You'll see the flares very clearly, but look in the background. That's how much energy is involved in that tightly wound band of that coronal mass ejection. Notice also that it's a simultaneous event. Check this out. Our Father in heaven has created a magnificent universe. It's beautiful to witness. This is the second flare, not as strong as the first, but notice the area is becoming more Earth-facing. So it's definitely a heads up on that. This is also Earth-facing SDO images. Look at the complexity of the surface of the sun and how bright it is with all the solar sunspots across the surface, and in the bottom of the two right here that are still rated as beta gamma delta, which means they're capable of X flares. But that little one on the top left has fooled us already twice today. Even though it's small, we're going to have to watch it. But these two big ones are still Earth-facing. There's a lot of activity there, watching the trigger mechanisms. But this little spot is what we've been seeing give us all this energy today. So it doesn't take a big one. Also bottom left, you notice that one? But here's what's happened. There's your 6.5. Then the one just came over an M. You saw that the reaction on the teal camera of the SDO. Let's go the other side of the sun, stereo behind. Just a few images because it's went to the 9th on universal time. You can see the power. Now here's the other image, and this one is even more amazing. This is Comet Jacques. We know it's not going to strike Venus, but that tail has grown so large that Venus is going to pass right through that. I don't think anything's ever been witnessed on any of our space cameras like this. So you guys that's got the big backyard telescopes and anyone else with the big telescopic cameras, find Venus. There you can go to several sites. Just Google in where to look for Venus in the tonight sky. You'll see the links there. Several different ones that give you the all the details for your telescope. But what we're seeing is a once-in-a-lifetime event. And what's unique about it is we're going to see it with Comet Sighting Spring. Now, it's a good thing as we watched the debris trail of Linear come through. It was nowhere near this size as the Earth passed through it. These are the type images we would have been getting. So this is something to watch. It's amazing to me to see this. Venus is just 1 day from going through that dust trail or debris trail. And look at the size of it. Amazing. It's a heads up. Be safe.